What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So a little update. I know I haven't been posting in a while, so I figured I'd update you guys on what's been going on. So we are actually moving to Mississippi. I actually have been off work for a while um, in preparation for that move. Took some leave, obviously. I haven't been working. If you know what I do for a living, you know this is a no-go. So we're actually moving here in about 2 weeks. Don't worry, the Supra is not sold. I'm just working on the BMW. Good old Krautwagen had an intake manifold leak, so I got to fix that. And then the Supra is down at Pure Function's house. He's looking over some things and kind of storing it there till we get settled in, and I can get it shipped down to our house in Mississippi. But figured I'd just give you guys an update. Um, we no longer sell the foam kits for the HVAC system in the Supra. Those are strictly through Dusty at MVP Motorsports. I'll put a link in the description so you can go ahead and go right to it. Pick left-hand drive, right-hand drive, and he has plenty in stock for you guys if you want them. They no longer come with glue or the 3M adhesion promoter. It was just too much of a hassle to get that stuff. Every time we'd find a product we like, it'd end up going discontinued or they'd sell out of it. So it was just, it's easier for you guys to just kind of find your own product. I mean, if you look back at some of the videos we made about it, you kind of know what to get. I do recommend a 3M adhesion promoter and some type of industrial super glue, and I do recommend watching our videos. I believe they're also on the MVP Motorsports website when you go to order the product. If not, if you go to my YouTube, you'll see where I combine a left-hand drive and right-hand drive video. And if you're thinking about getting the kit, it's really not that bad. And it would mean a lot if you would go over to MVP and pick some up. Other than that, got the drop ceiling done in the basement just in time to list it. Our house is sold. We're already under contract. We already found a brand new home in Mississippi, and the only thing I have to worry about is building the garage. So what you guys are gonna see once I get down there, I'll probably do like a quick tour of the house, and then we'll just go out to the garage, and I'll kind of show you like my game plan for the garage. It's gonna be paint the walls, the ceiling, adding in quite a lot of lights, probably about $800 worth of lights. I'm not doing that ugly hexagon crap. I'm gonna do legit lights to work on cars. And then we'll probably be doing Swiss tracks and probably like a Nussbaum, a Nussbaum or whatever scissor lift, just a mid-rise, something that's it's going to suit the needs for what I can do in that garage. I'm not going to be doing a freaking Supra build again in this garage. Oh, I hope I'm not going to be doing a Supra build again in that garage. I doubt I'll even be doing anything crazy with my car. Most of the stuff with my car, I kind of want to perfect it. I might pull the motor and do new pistons and rods and bearings, just because I'm pretty sure my smoking is the oil rings on the pistons are bad. So that's kind of where we're at. But yeah, I can kind of give you a final tour of our house here and kind of show you what all we've been doing, and how I finished the basement. And I'll never do drop ceiling again. I know that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's nice to just focus on the garage. I'm gonna be doing like probably cabinets, new toolboxes, new tools, foam inlays. Like I'm gonna go all out, since that's the only thing I have to spend money on really is the garage. And then I might build an outdoor kitchen too, just because I started doing a carnivore diet, and cooking steak all the time inside is messy and it stinks up the house. And I'd rather just have like a nice 360-degree like flat griddle. I know Evo makes one. It's very expensive. I'm not getting that. I'm probably gonna look at getting like a, oh, I can't remember the name of the company. It's a name brand company. They sell a 3-burner one that I'll probably take apart and like make it as a inset for an outdoor kitchen instead of having it be on a cart. And then like I'd like to do like a tabletop pizza oven too outside, because I like making pizza. But yeah, let me take you guys in the house and kind of show you what all we've done, and yeah, I really look forward to the next upcoming videos. And yeah, Let me go. Let's go inside. All right, guys. So as you can see, we pretty much got like everything packed up. There's a bunch of boxes over there. Table's done. We still have Christmas decorations up because why not? This is our last time in this house. We got to finish packing all that. We got a ton of stuff packed already, but what I really wanted to show you guys was the basement and how I got the drop ceiling finished, which I will never do again. So actually, let me turn the camera around. So this is our going into our basement. I guess I could back up and make that a little bit more clear. It's right off the garage there. Goes into the basement. Did this nice piece of wood trim. There's like a beam here, so I did a nice finishing piece of wood trim underneath. And everything got the LED lights, the adjustable LED lights. Drop ceiling. And then the movie theater, which we're leaving the surround sound and the projector and the screen obviously is staying. And the bar I built, that's staying. The shelves are staying. I mean, there used to be an air hockey table here. There used to be a basketball, a dual player Pop-A-Shot here. That's gone. It's interesting seeing all this stuff packed up. And ooh, zoomed in. Okay, and then our gym's looking a little sad. No more gym mats. Squat rack was sold. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Yeah, squat rack is sold. And someone's coming tomorrow to pick up the bench, the plates, that, and that for $1,500. That's between that and, you know, those kits we've been selling. That's going to pay for our new fridge in Mississippi because we got a brand new home, so we need to buy a fridge. The mirrors are staying. We're not taking those. We have no use for them. But the treadmill's going with us because we use that typically in the mornings. We walk on the treadmill or, you know, get our cardio in. So that's coming. A lot of work went into this house. That was fully just serviced. Brand new well pump. Yeah, a lot of stuff's been done. Not to mention the thousands of dollars we put into the basement. So, yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I really appreciate you guys watching, and you know, hopefully the garage build in Mississippi goes really well, and you guys hopefully enjoy that content. And yeah, I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. We're gonna be not to put my personal business out there, but we're gonna be 100% debt free, other than a mortgage. So that'll be nice. And then I've been kicking around the idea of selling the Supra and getting a Porsche GT3, a 991.2. If I get one, it will be a .2. I don't want to deal with the headaches of the motor issues of the .1 unless I find one that's like a really good deal on like Copart or something, or one that already had the motor redone and I don't have to worry about it. I have a few friends that have the GT3 991.1. I might try to go drive one of theirs and see if I like it, and use their assistance when it comes to buying one. But yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't let the Supra go for under probably like 80,000 just because it's a left-hand drive. Yeah, it has 160 some thousand miles on it, but it's the only thing that's not done is building the motor. And if I pull the motor and refresh it and do better rods and pistons and cams, and then finish getting it painted, I mean, I could easily get over 80,000 for that car. Really, it needs a good set of wheels. All the suspension work's done. Everything's been powder coated. new wheel bearings in the rear. I would do new wheel bearings and hubs in the front, but literally wheel bearings and hubs in the front. Then there's nothing left to do on the suspension unless you get brand new stuff. But I re-greased all the ball joints. None of them are bad. All new bushings in every single arm and in the subframes. So really front wheel bearings, finished painting the car, and get a half cage in it. Just help stiffen it up when the targa's off, which I'm already working on that. I already have the material. I'm going to be building that once we get to Mississippi. And and then build the motor, and then maybe do like a better exhaust manifold and a precision turbo. My 4-inch exhaust on it isn't the prettiest, but it works. It doesn't leak. I've had zero issues with it. None of the welds cracked or anything. So yeah, I mean it's definitely worth the amount of money. I just don't know if I want to sell it, because if I ever had to buy another one down the road, it's going to be a minimum of $40,000 to $50,000 for a non-turbo automatic left-hand drive. Because I don't want a right-hand drive. I just have no interest in a right-hand drive car. So that's going to be it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. And be sure to go to mvpmotorsports.com and pick up those left-hand drive and right-hand drive HVAC foam kits. It really means a lot to us. And I'll see you guys in Mississippi.